huge fish. Achoo!
Oh, gesundheit, Pooh.
Ugh, this cleaning stuff sure is dirty business. Say, how you coming in there, Roo boy?
Almost done. Just one more box.
Tigger and the gang were cleaning up quite a storm. However, as they swept the dust out of the corners, they swept it right into Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, mother. Sniffly sniff, whistly wheeze. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. I feel it in my ears and knees. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. Oh, I close my eyes and wiggle my nose. I itch and scrunch my face. I shiver and shake down to my toes and wave my arms all over the place. Oh, sniffly sniff, whistly wheeze. Here it comes, a great big sneeze. I feel it in my ears and knees. Here it comes, great big. Better hang on to something. I think he's gonna blow.